Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Chrome settings so we change behavior quickly. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. Once done, use the Settings search box and type JavaScript to jump directly to the right panel. This saves time versus scrolling. Make sure you are signed into the profile that needs the change, because extensions or profile policies might differ. The reason? Chrome stores site settings per profile, so acting here guarantees changes affect the profile you're using right now. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security, then open Site Settings to reach Content Controls. Once in Site Settings, scroll to Content and find the JavaScript entry. Chrome labels it clearly. Click JavaScript, and you'll see a toggle and two lists, Allowed and Blocked. Flip the toggle to Allowed to enable JavaScript globally. Alternatively, add specific sites under Allowed or Blocked using the Add button. This granularity lets you enable scripts for trusted sites while keeping others blocked, which improves security without breaking needed functionality. To finish, reload any open tabs or fully restart Chrome so the new JavaScript setting takes effect. Verify success by visiting a site that needs scripts, then open DevTools with F12 and check the console for script activity or errors. If pages still behave as if JavaScript is off, make sure no extension is blocking scripts, or check for an enterprise policy enforced by your organization. If necessary, temporarily disable extensions to isolate the cause. Once resolved, re-enable them and keep the allowed list tuned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.